All right. Previously, we had solved this quadratic equation using factorization. Now, let us solve it using the formula. And we will see if we can get the same, if we will get the same answer when we use the formula to solve it. All right? So let's erase our previous work here. And I'm not going to erase the answers. I'm going to see if we get the same answers. Now the quadratic formula says x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, as before, we identify our a, b, and c. A is 1 because it's 1x squared, ax squared. B is 8 and C is 15, as we identified them in the previous video. Now, x is equal to negative b. B is 8. So x is negative 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 8 squared. See that? B squared, in this case it's 8 squared, minus 4 AC. AC. But what is A and what is C? A is 1. So we can remove the A here and we put our 1. But we don't want it to look like 41. We put the multiplication sign to show that it is 4 by 1. Times C. C is 15. So it is times, we know that C is 15. So let's erase the C and put 15 there. All over 2 times A. 2A. But what is A? A is 1. So let's get rid of the A and put 1. So it's 2 times 1. Let's put a line here and work on the right hand side of our board. X equals negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared is 64 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 15 by 4 is 60. All over 2 times 1, which is 1, which is 2. So x is negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 60 is 4 over 2. All right? Continuing here, x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus what is square root of 4 is 2 all over 2. So what it is negative 8 plus 2 all over 2 in one case, and I'm using the and symbol, negative 8 minus 2 divided by 2. So you have two answers. In one case, negative 8 plus 2 over 2. In the other case, negative 8 minus 2 over 2. So x is negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6 divided by 2, which is negative 3. And x equals negative 8 minus 2 is negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So x is negative 3 and negative 5. All right. Negative 3 and negative 5. Same answer as we got before. All right. We'll look at completing the square in a separate video. So I will see you then.